Good day, my name is John Marvin Ogivara. Today I'll walk you through one of the key frameworks that shape our political system: division, allocation, and delegation of powers in the Philippine government. The first topic we're about to discuss is the separation of powers. Our constitution divides among three co-equal and independent branches. First is the legislative, creates laws. The executive enforces them, and judiciary interprets them. This system ensures no branch dominates the others. In Angara versus Electoral Commission, the Supreme Court emphasized that this separation is implied even if not always explicitly stated. The goal? To prevent dictatorship and protect democracy. Next is the checks and balances. Even with separate powers, the branches check each other. The president can veto laws, but Congress can override it. Presidential appointments need Commission on Appointments approval. Senate concurrence is required for treaties. The Supreme Court can declare any act unconstitutional. Congress can impeach and the Senate conducts the trial. These safeguards prevent any branch from overstepping.